Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. This channel is specifically for BSc Agriculture Honors student, and today we are going to discuss some important MCQs related to the course number Elective Extension 244 for the 4th semester, which is elective course, that is Agriculture Journalism. So some important question we are going to discuss related to the practical examination, which is started from tomorrow. So let's discuss some important multiple choice questions. So here I am going to discuss today 25 questions. Remaining we are going to discuss later on. So let's start. First of all, you should put here your mail ID. Okay, the name is already here. If it is given required WhatsApp number, then you put, then registration number, then we will start our question answer. So first question related to the practical examination for elective extension 244, that is the word dash dash refers to a one-on-one conversation between an interviewer and interview. Okay, so it is a conversation between what? Interviewer means who are going to take a interview, and who are interview means who are going to give the answer of that particular asking question by the interviewer. So answer is a interview here. Okay, it is from your first exercise, practicing interview. Then the next question, what is the mean by clothing in a studio setting? Okay, so there is some points is given. So what kind of the points you should keep in mind before going to give the interview or take the interview. So there is a one of the point is that clothing. Okay, what kind of the appearance should be there? So here if you are going to give the interview in a studio, okay, so for the television, for the radio, whatever it may be, in a studio, that time should, what kind of the clothing you should wear there? So option is given, natural clothing or appearance. Second, casual clothing. Third is a professional appearance, and third is a none of the above. So right answer is what? Professional appearance. Okay, then the third question is, what is mean by clothing in on location setting? When a particular interview is not taken at a studio, it is outside the studio. Suppose for example, if any particular interviewer want to take an interview of farmer, so they can went their farm and take the interview. So it is on location setting is there. So that time farmer should wear whatever their natural wearing is there. Okay, not a suit or what professional clothing is there. So whatever they use daily, they can use that cloth there. So here option is given, casual clothing, natural clothing or appearance. Third is a professional appearance, and fourth is none of the above. So right answer is what? Natural clothing or appearance. Okay, so that is a correct answer. Then the fourth question, dash dash is a capsule opening center of the top of news. Okay, so you know there is a news structure having the three parts, that is heading, lead and body. Under lead, summary lead and suspended interested lead. So here correct answer is a heading. It is the capsule opening center of the top of news, means it is a heading. Okay, so yeah, options are given. So the next question is a dash dash is the opening part of a news story or the introduction of the story. So heading, lead, summary lead and suspended interested lead. So correct answer is what? Lead. So lead is the correct option and answer for this question. Okay, so all the introduction of the news story is given in this part. Then the question number 6, a dash dash lead is expected to answer as many as possible of the 6 questions, that is a 5W and 1H. That is a 5W is what? Where, what, which, when. Okay, and H is a how. So when this 5Ws and 1H questions answer is given in the particular part, that part is called as a, options are summary lead, suspended interested lead, crowded lead and descriptive lead. So correct answer is what? Summary lead. Okay, so it gives this question's answer in the first para of the news story. Then the question number 7, dash dash is the real climax or feature of a story. Okay, so in which particular part of the story its climax or feature of the story is given. So options are crowded lead, descriptive lead, suspended interest lead, summary lead. So correct answer is the C, that is suspended interest lead. Then the next question is, there is a forms of news writing is there, which are that inverted pyramid, chronological and suspended interest form. So there is a 3 forms of news writings are there. So here about 90% of all news stories are wrote in a dash forms of news writing. So what will be the correct answer? There is a inverted pyramid pattern. Okay, so here is a lead according to lead the setup of the particular news story is there. Then question number 9, what type or forms of the news story catches readers interest? So again it is related to your forms of news writing. So here correct answer is a inverted pyramid pattern which catches the interest of the readers. Okay, question number 10, dash forms of the news writing is used to tell a series of events in a order in which they occurred, that is a sports event. Means for example sports event is there. So correct answer is what is again question related to the forms of news writing. So options are given chronological, inverted pyramid, suspended interest forms. So here correct answer is what? Chronological form. Okay, so whatever the information is given, it is a series of event. Okay, numerical format is there. So when we are talking about any cricket event, football event, so there is a different kind of teams are there. Okay, so whatever the scores are there, they are in the form of the order. Okay, then the question number 11 is there, dash forms of news story play upon the feelings of suspense or imagination in the minds of reader. So what will be the answer here? Options are suspended interest form, chronological form, inverted pyramid pattern, none of the above. Correct answer is suspended interest form. Okay, then the question number 12, what is the standard size of paper is required to write news story? And options are given 8 into 11 inches, 8.2 into 11 inches, 8 into 12 inches, 7 into 11 inches. So correct answer is 8.2 into 11 inches. Okay, then the question number 13, the word magazine is derived from dash word, that is a magazine or storehouse which contains a collection of facts and fictions. So what that particular word is that? That is a French word, Greek word, Arabic or Latin. So correct answer is Arabic word. So this magazine word is a Arabic word. Okay, from that the magazine word is taken. So then 14 number question, dash founded in a 1731. Okay, is considered as a world's first magazine. So which is that particular first magazine which is founded in the 1731? The options are given: Gentleman's Magazine, Sheti Bati, Krishi Gnan, Krishi Sansar. The correct answer is a Gentleman's Magazine. Okay, then the question number 15, a success story is a kind of news story or feature story narrating the success of. Okay, so what is the particular success story? Which kind of this success they are narrating in the particular story? An individual group, an event or program, an organization or a particular project, or all the above. So correct answer is all the above, not only one particular individual person or not only group. It is a giving the success story of all the success of any this related things. It's an individual, event, project, group or organization. Okay, then the question number 16, the opening statement of the lead is called as dash dash dash. That is a feature is the correct answer here. Then the question number 17, dash dash is a single sheet of printed matter, sometimes folded one. Okay, so what we called as that particular single sheet or printed matter? It is a options are folder, leaflet, pamphlet, bulletin. So answer is a leaflet. It's sometimes single sheet or folded one. Then the question number 18, the pamphlet varies in a size from dash dash to dash dash pages. Okay, Options are 11 to 23 pages, 10 to 24, 12 to 24 pages, 12 to 23 pages. So correct answer is 12 to 24 pages. Okay. Then question number 19. There are the 3 steps to prepare leaflet as following. Okay. So for preparation of the leaflet or folder, there is some steps are there. So here for preparation of the leaflet, which are the 3 steps are there? So options are given. I am not going to take options, just I am choose the correct option here. So first step is plan the script, second write the script, and third is review the script. So correct option is first. Okay, plan the script, write the script, and review the script. Then the question number 20. A dash dash is a single piece of paper folded once or twice. When opened, material is presented in a sequence. So correct answer is what? Here folder. Options are given: leaflet, bulletin, folder, pamphlet. Correct option folder. Okay, sometimes it is a single piece but folded once or twice. Okay, and whatever the material is there, it is presented in a sequence. For example, cultivation of soybean crop. Okay, from sowing to harvesting in a sequence manner. Then the question number 21. The size of folder is quite attractive. So for folder there is some size is given. Okay, so it should be the attractive if you are preparing the particular folder at that particular size. So options are given: 4 into 8 inches, 2 into 4 inches, 4 into 6 inches, 3 into 8 inches. Correct answer is what? 4 into 8 inches. Then question number 22. Use of dash dash is to inform, alert, suggest, direct, interest, stimulate, and motivate the people. What will be the correct answer here? Options are TV, radio, newspaper, magazine. Because this is some of the mass media is there. So correct answer is radio. Okay, it will inform, it will be give the direction, suggestion, alertness, interest, create, stimulate, and motivation to the farmer within a short period of time. Okay. Then the question number 23. Broadcasting network means radio network is India's cover about %% population. So options are 94%, 95%, 93%, 90%. So correct option is a 93%. So about 93% population cover under this broadcast of network, means they are using the radio network. Okay. Question number 24. There is a 3 components for writing script for radio as following. Okay, so when we are going to write a script for radio talk, so what are the components should be considered? That is, first one is options are given, but I am going to choose correct option. It is a broadcaster, means who are going to deliver the particular talk, that is a broadcaster. Listener means your audience, and broadcast or program means what kind of the material or content or subjects you are going to be deliver. So these 3 components are considered before writing a script. And the last question, it's a 25 number. Dash dash minute radio talk is ideal 1. So what will be the answer? The options are 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes. Correct answer is 5 minutes. So these are the your 25 question, which is a MCQ important for your practical examination. Okay, thank you.